Welcome to HiHippo. Today, we're jumping into a fast and fun chemistry challenge. Get ready to test your brain, learn cool facts, and see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Which subatomic particle has no electric charge? The neutron. Let's try another. What type of chemical bond shares electrons? A covalent bond. What is the chemical element with the symbol O? Oxygen. Let's see how you do on this one. Who was the first to propose the modern atomic theory? John Dalton. What is the state of water at 0 degrees Celsius under normal atmospheric pressure? It is solid. Ready for the next one? Who proposed the theory of the four elements? Aristotle. What is the pH of a neutral solution? A pH of 7. What does the atomic number of an element indicate? The number of protons. What is the table that organizes chemical elements called? The periodic table. Who developed the periodic table of elements? Dmitri Mendeleev. Which of these is a noble gas? Helium. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. Is electronegativity the ability to attract or repel an electron in a chemical bond? The ability to attract electrons. Let's continue. Which gas makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the basic unit of matter? The atom. Who discovered radioactivity? Marie Curie. What is the substance called that dissolves in a solvent? A solute. What chemical compound is used to treat drinking water? Chlorine. What type of bond forms between a metal and a nonmetal? An ionic bond. Which substance has the lowest boiling point? Helium. What is the name of the chemical reaction that releases heat? An exothermic reaction. Here comes another one. Which scientist proposed that electrons orbit in defined paths? Niels Bohr. Which gas property describes its ability to expand and fill any container? Compressibility. Which scientist proved that air is a mixture of gases, not a single gas? Joseph Priestley. Which material property describes the amount of mass in a given volume? Density. What is the compound formed when oxygen combines with a metal? An oxide. Who discovered the principle of conservation of matter? Antoine Lavoisier. What element has the chemical symbol Na? Sodium. Which substance is an example of a hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide. Here we go! Which of these metals is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Who discovered the process of electrolysis? Michael Faraday. What is the name of the compound with this formula? Sodium chloride. Which of the following is a property of water? High heat capacity. What is the pH of an acidic solution? A pH lower than 7. In what year was Einstein's theory of relativity formulated? In 1905. What is Avogadro's number? Six 6.023 times 10 to the 23rd. What is the process of changing from liquid to gas called? Evaporation. Next one. Which scientist is known for his work on the theory of combustion? Antoine Lavoisier. What is the main gas used in household gas cylinders? butane. What is formed when an acid reacts with a base? Salt and water. Who was a pioneer in the field of thermodynamics? James Joule. What element is the main component of nucleic acids? Phosphorus. What is an alloy? A mixture of two or more metals. What gas is released when hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc? Hydrogen. What is the process of dissolving a solid in a liquid called? Dissolution. Which scientist defined the concept of a molecule? Amedeo Avogadro. What is the name of the process that turns a gas into a liquid? Condensation. Who formulated the law of definite proportions? Joseph Proust. What type of bond is formed between atoms in an oxygen molecule? A double covalent bond. Bonus! Which subatomic particle has a positive charge? The proton, the electron, or the neutron? Don't forget, write the correct answer in the comments below. That's a wrap. How many did you nail? If you're vibing with HiHippo, smash that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.